In this video, we are going to find the median when what some of the values in the frequency table are missing and we have to calculate. As you can see, we are given a table over here. That's a frequency distribution table. And we are also given the value of the median here as 28.5, and we have to get these missing values. Now, the steps remains the same that we first make a cumulative frequency distribution table. And the first column, as you can see from here, that will be the class interval, then frequency, and then the cumulative frequency. So let's say if I make the table first, it is 0 to 10. The next first is 0 to 10, then it is 10 to 20. This is 10 to 20. Next is same class plus the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So the next is going to be what? We will be adding x with 5. So it's going to be x plus 5, right? So this is how we do. So let's say if I opt in, the next one is going to be 5 plus 6. This is 5 plus x. Next will be 5 plus x plus 20. So that is 25, right? This is 25 plus x, right? The next is going to be 25 plus x plus 15. That is 15 plus 25 is how much? That's 40. 40 plus x. And so on. If you are going to do next is going to be 40 plus x. On this, we'll add y. And lastly, it's going to be 45 plus x plus y. Now, once we have obtained this, we are given here that is n. As you can see in the question, we are given n as 60. So we can conclude that n is 60. It implies that n by 2 is how much? 30. And then we can find out the median class, right, from here. First of all, we know that the median here is given as how much? 28.5. So 28.5 will lies here, right? As you can see, that is 28.5 will lie between 20 to 30, right? So that's why we take the median class. Here we do not use n by 2 to ascertain the value of median class. We see the median. Now, once we have obtained this, we have to form the equation here. Two equations is what we are going to form here. First of all, what I can observe that the sum of these values are given. Let me show you again. The sum of this is given as how much? 60, right? We know it's 60. So we can obtain one relation between x and y. And that is what? That is, this is what? This is going to be, like if you add these, you are going to get this only. So what we can see that from here, that the first equation is, this is 45 plus x plus y. 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So we can say x plus y is equal to what? If you subtract 60 from 45 from 60, you are going to get 15. So we have obtained the first equation. Once we have obtained the first equation, then we are going to obtain the second equation using the formula of the median. Now we know what is median here. Once again, I can replace this median with the value given here as 28.5. So this is 28.5 is equal to L stands for the lower limit of the median class. And this is the median class. So its lower limit is what? 20 here. So we'll say that this is 20 plus n over 2. N is this. So this n over 2 is how much? 30 minus CF stands for the frequency of the preceding class. So need to be careful that it is minus. So we'll keep a bracket, right? In order to avoid any mistake. That divided by F, and F is the frequency of the same class, which is 20 here. Multiplied by H. H is the class size. From here, you can see it is 10. Now I can see that I can reduce this first, and I'm going to transpose this to the left-hand side. So it's going to be what? If I subtract 20 from this, we'll get 8.5, and that is equal to 30. That is equal to 30 minus 5 minus x. That divided by 2. Now, if I transpose to the other side, it's going to be multiplied here. So it's 8.5 into 2. That's 17. Yeah, 8.5 into 2 is 17. And this is how much? 25. So is equal to 25 minus x. Further, what I'm doing, I'm keeping x on the left and transposing 17 to the other side here. So it's 25 minus 17 is 8. Now check here. we have two equations and we got the value of x from x here. So we can obtain y from here, right? So we can replace x with y. Let's say replacing x with 8. Here we are going to replace x with 8. So that is, once again, I can write over here, we know x plus y is 15 and x is 8. So x is 8. So 8 plus y is equal to 15 implies y is equal to 15 minus 8. That comes out to be 7. So we had to get the value of x and y. So x is 8 and y is 7. That's how we do this question.